In this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your Roku Express without this remote. So now let's go back to the home. You can actually do it in any instance of this streaming device, but only thing you need is actually this pilot for your TV. So simply disable TV like that. And you can also, let's power it on back with our Roku. What else you can do is simply turn it off by walking if you have buttons on your TV, and turn it off manually on your TV. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.